And you might say to yourself, well, I don't want a sawtooth. Okay. The key to the sawtooth, as opposed to the sine wave, and we're going into talking about choosing the bass for the kick, is when I filter down that sawtooth to virtually a sine, there's just more harmonics and frequencies in there, which when I'm listening to the bass, I can hear it a bit more. So let's take out the top end. In the track, you see, I might have this in isolation. I don't want it above that point, but in the track I might have it here, because it's about how I hear and feel the bass in the track that's as important as in isolation. In fact, it's probably more important. The isolation part of it is just to make sure you've got the bottom end sorted. We've got the bottom end sorted. We know that. So try and choose your bass, you know, so that if it is low and it's just sine and you've got, you know, a Rhodes above that, a piano wall, loads of Simpson stuff, you know, is it totally hidden away? Okay, well, if it's an offbeat bass, it might work as just a sine wave low down. But in this kind of sustained, I want to kind of hear and feel a sustained at low levels. So I want a bit of tonality to come through, and that's where using like a sawtooth or a different kind of audio wave makes a big difference.